Hello iPhone users, in this video I will tell you how to add contacts to the list of do not disturb. For this you have to go to settings and then slide to tap on focus, where you will see the first option as do not disturb. You will tap on it and you will see option of left hand side people. You tap there and then there are two options: silence notifications from, allow notifications from. So if you'll select from allow notifications from, so only those people, those contacts notification will come to you. If you tap on silence notifications from, those people, those contacts added in this list, you will not be able to get any notifications from their contact. Now as you can see, the blue tick is on allow notifications from. So right now I'm checking that allow calls from everybody, allowed people, favorites or contacts only, right? Also here it is mentioned in last, allow repeated call or not. So you can choose whether these contacts can call you within 3 minutes or not. And if you tap on silent notifications from, then you will see option of allow calls from silent people, so you can keep their calls on but overall silent. See you in next video. Tada.